Personally, I'd also urge you not to hesitate to dive into the world of AI. It's a field full of innovation and opportunity. And who knows, at this point, you might just discover a newfound passion and feel inspired, to pursue exciting career paths in this rapidly evolving landscape. By staying proactive about your learning, you'll not only stay relevant in your current role, but also position yourself for future opportunities. Developing your soft skills begins with self reflection and assessment, and that's to really pinpoint areas for improvement. Once you've identified your goals, consider exploring resources such as articles and books focused on soft skill development. And additionally, seeking guidance from a mentor or working with a career coach can provide valuable support and insight tailored to your needs. I would say embracing leadership opportunities within your organization or a community is another effective way to hone your soft skills in a real world, scenario. Ultimately, taking a proactive approach and leveraging various resources will empower you to enhance your communication, teamwork, and leadership abilities. I'd say contributing to your overall professional growth and even success. Last but not least, don't be afraid to adapt and innovate. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, see it as an opportunity to streamline processes and drive innovation in your field. I'd stay curious, explore new technologies, and look for ways to integrate AI into your work to enhance efficiency and even productivity. All right, my friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You'll receive more content on technology, career advice, and everything in between. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.